Welcome back to our Excel course. In this lesson, we will be learning how to add conditional formatting to our sheets. Conditional formatting allows us to highlight specific cells or ranges based on certain conditions or rules. It helps to make important information stand out and makes it easier to spot patterns and trends in our data. First, let's select the range of cells that we want to apply conditional formatting to. For this example, we'll use a range of sales data. Next, we'll go to the Home tab on the top ribbon and click on Conditional Formatting. We'll then select the type of formatting we want to apply. For example, we can use the Highlight Cell Rules option to highlight cells based on their values, or the Top-Bottom Rules option to highlight the highest or lowest values in our range. In this example, we'll use the Highlight Cell Rules option and choose Greater Than. We'll then specify the value we want to compare to, and choose the formatting we want to apply to the cells that meet that condition. We can choose a color, an icon or data bar. We can also add more than one conditional formatting rule by clicking on New Rule and selecting the next condition. Once we've set up our rules, we can see that the cells that meet the conditions are now highlighted in the specified color, making it easy to spot our best performing sales. You can also use the Manage Rules option in the Conditional Formatting menu to edit or delete existing rules. That's it for adding conditional formatting in Excel. Thanks for watching.